Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. There's been a major change in the leadership of the Sandals hotel chain. Sandals Resorts International Chairman Butch Stewart today announced the appointment of Jebard Rayner as CEO effective immediately. The appointment, which follows an extensive search in concert with Deputy Chairman Adam Stewart, was designed to accelerate the strategic growth of the hotel chain. According to Mr. Stewart, the addition of Rayner to the executive team consolidates Adam Stewart's role as Deputy Chairman, allowing him to dedicate more time to forward initiatives as the company prepares for a bold strategy going forward. For the second week in a row, motorists will benefit from lower petrol prices. Effective tomorrow, the price of 87 and 90 gasoline will fall by 27 cents per litre to sell for $120.24 and $123.08 respectively. Automotive diesel oil and low sulfur diesel both fall by 79 and 78 cents to sell for $117.26 and $122.27. Now, kerosene will also go down by $1.13 to sell for $99. There are mixed changes to LPG, with propane going down 77 cents to sell for $43.43, but butane goes up by 9 cents to sell for $48. Oil futures reversed earlier losses Wednesday despite official government data showing U.S. domestic inventories rose more sharply than expected. U.S. West Texas Intermediate futures also gained 25 cents to settle at $60.96 per barrel. Currency trading ended today with the U.S. dollar selling for $128.67. The Canadian dollar, that's selling for $98.30. The pound sterling is costing $175.08, while the euro is going for $157.14. Now, in today's trading session, the JSE index advanced by 1,118 points to close at 295,390. The junior market index declined by 52 points to close at 2,899. The main losers today were Palace Amusement, Siboney, Grace Kennedy, CAC 2000, 138 Students Living, and Berger. Honeybun, Lasco Distributors, Knutsford Express, AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Producers, and Fosrich are some of the losers. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.